and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name is Alexis, and during the month of December I'm going to be posting to this channel every day. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my Sorry I Can't Afford the Spa This Year de-stress lotion and bath or foot salts. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make these brilliant homemade gifts. So I love receiving homemade gifts, in case anybody's interested, and I know that my friends and family also love receiving homemade gifts. So I thought I'd make some today, and I'm going to make some bath salts or some foot spa salts. And I'm also going to make a little lotion to go with that as well. I thought that made a really nice gift. I'm going to do a de-stressing one because at this time of year, although Christmas is wonderful, it can be quite stressful for some people as well. So I thought I'd do a de-stressing homemade gifts kit, and I thought while I was making them I'd share what I was doing with you. So here is my Sorry I Can't Afford the Spa gift idea. First thing I'm going to make is my lotion. So for this I have some MCT oil. I bought this online and I will link it in the description box below for you. This isn't an advert for this company or anything, but I know that MCT oil is actually coconut oil, but it's a thinner coconut oil and it sinks into the skin slightly better than other oils do. So that's why I'm using coconut oil today. And I'm just going to pour some of this into a small bottle. So these bottles I got when I bought some products online, so I'm just recycling old little spray bottles, but if you can't get these then I'm sure you can find some online. And I'm just going to fill this with the MCT oil. I'm trying not to spill it over the side, but it seems to be spilling quite well at the moment, so I'm just going to keep going and fill this up. Oh, I've spilled it all over there. I won't be a moment, hang on a sec. Filled my bottle with the MCT oil, and now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that back in, and I'm going to put 5 drops of bergamot in. And bergamot is a really lovely smelling essential oil, I have to say. It's beautiful and it's quite relaxing as well. It was used for medicinal purposes once upon a time, and again I bought my essential oils online as well. And then I'm going to use some Patchouli, I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to add about 3 drops of Patchouli oil, and this is used for relaxation Patchouli, so it's a really good one for a de-stress lotion for your friends and family. And then I'm also going to use some Ylang as well, and Ylang just gives it a nice smell really. I do love these 3, they are really nice smelling. And I'm going to add 2 drops of Ylang, and then when I write the cards out for these I shall tell people to, oh, smells lovely, to shake well before use, and then just spray in the, oh, that smells really nice. Apply to the area that they want to apply it to. That is lovely. So that is my de-stress lotion done. Now I'm going to make my bath salts. For this I am using a glass jar that I'm just recycled. I've tried to take off the label, but unfortunately you can still see the glue on the outside of the jar, but I'm going to try and make that look Christmassy somehow, I'm not sure how. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add some rose petals to the bottom. Now to make this not so like you're bathing in a swamp or something, I'm only going to put a little bit in the bottom like so, because I don't want people to feel like they're bathing in the swamp. So I'm just going to put a few rose petals in the bottom, and then I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt, and I'm going to kind of layer this up. So I'm going to add about a third pink Himalayan salt, I think. And then on the next layer, I thought I would add some Epsom salt. I'm just trying to straighten that out. So I've just straightened that out, and now I'm going to add my Epsom salt to this as well. I buy these containers from places like Amazon. They work out a lot cheaper if you buy big containers, and we do use this in our bathroom as well. So we do use this a lot all year round. And I think I'm going to stop there for a moment because I've remembered that I wanted to add a little bit of rose essential oil and some lemon essential oil to this as well. So this is the foot spa that I have at night. So I have rose and lemon, and I find this really relaxing, I have to say. So I've added a few drops of rose to that, and I'm going to add a few drops of lemon as well. And I might add some more on the top as well, just to give it a really nice smell. So I'm going to shake that in like so. Oh, that's smelling lovely already. And then I'm going to add in my bicarbonate of soda as well. I will link where we get all of these products from in the description box below. And the rose petals I also bought on Amazon as well. I forgot to say that. But yeah, so I buy the rose petals on Amazon. But I might have a look on Whole Foods online as well and see if I can get them there next time when I do a Whole Foods shop. So I'm just going to add a little bit more to the top. Oh, that does smell nice. I don't think I need to add any more Epsom salt, but that is basically my salt, bath salts done. And you can use this in a foot spa, or you can use it in the bath. Some of my friends I'm going to make these for may not have a bath, so I thought I'd also put on their foot spa as well. And I will make a card and put it on the instructions for them as well, and I'll also tell them the ingredients. But yes, that is a homemade present done. I have finally finished making my Christmas presents for my friends, and I have added labels to them as well with the ingredients and instructions as well. And I've put, sorry I can't afford a spa this year, de-stress lotion, and then this one is called sorry I can't afford a spa this year, bath and foot salts. So yep, I'm really pleased, I'm really happy, and I'm going to go and wrap these now. That's it, that's how you make my de-stress lotion and my bath or foot salts as well. If you do end up making these for any of your friends and relatives, please let me know in the comments below what they think of them. Or if you make them for yourselves, then please let me know as well. I would love to hear from you, and I will link the recipe in the description box below. But for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.